Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another video about the Makharij exit points of Arabic letters. In today's video, we got two more letters which are Kha and Ghain. Kha and Ghain. And inshallah ta'ala, you would learn how to say Kha and Ghain perfectly according to the Arabic rules. So kha and ghain, the point of pronunciation, the sound of kha and ghain comes out from the top of our throat. So they are pronounced by top of our throat, which is quite nearest to our mouth. Kha, like this. Ghain, kha, ghain, kha. Say that with me. Kha, ghain. Here another picture for that. Kha, here you can see the arrow one which goes to the top of our throat, which is quite near to our mouth here. Kha, and here in second picture ghain. Kha, say that with me. Kha, ghain, kha, ghain. And remember, we learned last time ha and ain. In ha and ain, the point of pronunciation was for ha and ghain, it was middle of our throat, and this one is top of our throat, right? For gha, ghain, and kha. So I hope you got this, and inshallah ta'ala, we will discuss more letters in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.